Now has been boxed only Wild Fine. Race number 1 will be off and running in just a short while with Wild Fine. Now finally box all set. Good luck to your winner, take all choices. Stand by for a dispatch. Condition race, category number 21 has just begun. Always on time, didn't waste time at the beginning, and in second area outside comes Ahala, then followed over by John 2 running viral West Facola, blow by third last, Wild Fine second last, and Simply Believe. Heading towards the 900-meter fall with runner number 1, always on time, leading the field by about 3 lengths. Ahala in second. In the middle portion, third comes runner number 3, John 2, running viral West Facola. Blow by comes next inside the last 600. No change with the leader. This one, runner number 1, always on time, maintaining a 5 lengths lead. John to now in second, and area outside, blow by, and as they turn for Roma, always on time, this time by about 4 lengths. Ahala in second, and in the middle portion comes West Pacol, John to blow by, and down the stretch they come, always on time, this time by about 5 lengths over Ahala, John 2, and down to the finish, always on time, entering the finish line, always on time, Wild Fine, West Pacol, John 2, blow by, Simply Believe, and Ahala.
Okay, 1-7-2-3-4 ang datingan dito sa unang karera, always on time. Top choice, crossing the wire first. Let's watch the replay.
Condition race, category